Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and if you are somebody who likes to go camping or just needs a little extra light in the dark when you're going for walks early in the morning like me, you will love this easy, lightweight, portable headlamp by Columbia. It is really simple to use, which I love. It's lightweight, like I said, very lightweight. Just one on-off button. Look what a difference this headlamp makes in my completely dark bathroom. It's incredible how much light comes from this tiny little headlamp. And the batteries are really easy to install. The battery life is 5+ hours. So you usually don't need to use a headlamp for that long. But this end where you can adjust it, you can see how easy it is to adjust the strap. You can adjust it like that, but it stays snug and secure on your head. But anyway, the end where you adjust it is also the little key to unlock the battery. So you can pop and open it up and take them out and close it back. So if you're looking for a good, lightweight, easy to use headlamp for hiking, camping, and any other outdoor enthusiast adventures, I highly recommend this one by Columbia, but that's just my point of view.